अरे लीलानंद इधर आ जाओ। लीलानंद का
जय भक्तिवेदांत शिला प्रभुपाद की जय। जय शिला गुरुदेव की जय।
सुजनार्बुदरादित पाद जुगम
युग धर्म धुरंधर
पात्रवरम वरदाभयदाय च पूज्य पदम प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपाद पदम जनुर्दित साजन संगपतिं पतिताधिक कारुण कोई कगतिं गतिवंचित वंचकार चिंत्य पदम प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपाद पदम वति कोमल कांचन निर्गतन निंदित हेम मृणाल मदम मदनार्बुद वंदित चंद्र पदम प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपाद पदम निज सेवक तारक रंजि विदुम विदु साहित कृत सीम वरम वरनागत वालिश चंद्र पदम प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपाद पदम विपुलीकृत वैभव गौरव भुवनेश विकीकृत गौरदयमदयनीय गणार्पित गौरपदम प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपाद पदम चिरगौर जनाश्रय गुरु गौर किशोर दश परम परमादित भक्ति नद पदम प्रणमामि सदा प्रभु पाद पदम रूप सनातन कीर्ति धर्म धर निधल कीर्तित जीव कवि कविराज नरोत्तम सत्य पदम प्रणमामि सदा प्रभु कृपया हरि कीर्तन मूर्ति धर मधुर देवर हारक गौर जनम जनकाधिक वत्सल स्नेह पदम प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपाद पदम शरणागत किंकर कल्पतरुं तरुधीकृत धीरव धनवर वरेन्द्र गणार्चित दिव्य पदम प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपाद पदम परमहंस वरम परमर्थपतिं पति दोदरने कृत वैषयतिं यदिराजगणे परिसेव्य पदं प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपाद पदम अनुसुतादयितानुचरं चरणाश्रित धेनुधरस्तमहं महदद्भुत पावन शक्ति पदम प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपाद पदम प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपाद पदम
Premanande Hari Hari.
Everybody has come or not? Who did not come? Huh?
Who's not here? Raise your hand.
Anubilas man, he did not come.
अनुविलास, yes, she's
तो कहाँ
not
गई?
here. वो नहीं सुबह चली गई नीचे को.
Nee, she was in the room.
And she didn't
वो
come.
मान कर लिया.
No, she
पूरा
was,
मान के.
she was just there. I don't know. Nee, she was not in the moon. Yeah, she was also in the moon.
No, after Mangala. That's last I saw. I don't know.
No, she closed the room, so I know she was in the room.
ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्ध्रस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः. वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः. श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृन्द. हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. So we will translate it. रुस्के हैं? हिंदी तो 3 आदमी हो. हैं? Who is translating in Portuguese?
Me.
So everybody had transmitter or not?
Yes.
Who has transmitter? Right?
No, they have. Because they've been translated.
4, 5, 6, 7 Hindi speakers.
So किस में बोले? हिंदी में बोले, इंग्लिश बोले? हाँ?
Maybe Tota Gopinath.
Maybe Porto.
Okay, Tota Gopinath, you will speak in Hindi, here we speak English.
I can better use
So by the... Huh?
Better you speak Chinese.
This time not Chinese coming there.
They always see
Because I have not seen.
all of them have seen.
So, by the causeless mercy of Guru and Gauranga, now we have come Jagannath Puri, and 4 days we also to circulated Jagannath Puri program, Jagannath Parikrama, Kshetramandal Parikrama. Now we have come this place ki Chatak Parvat. What is Parvat name? Chatak. Hey, I am not listening. What is the name of this place? Chatak Parvat. Chatak Parvat. Bola Chatak Parvat ki Jai. And this is also a place of Bhajan Kutira Bhakti Siddhanta Srila Saraswati Prabhupada. What is the place? This is Bhajan Kutir of Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Swami Prabhupada. Prabhupada, he used to come here and he also established the temple and he was staying in here. You have seen his Bhajan Kutir and his bed and everything's there. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, after taking sannyas, he came in Jagannath Puri and he used to stay in Gambhira. But every day he used to come Gambhira to Tota Gopinath. And Gadadhar Pandit was staying here. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu every day used to come Gambhira to Tota Gopinath. Why? Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu listened Hari Katha and Srimad Bhagavad Katha from the lotus lips of Gadadhar Pandit. You understand? Gadadhar Pandit is non different from Srimati Radhika. All you know. So Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna. This is true. Antar Krishna, Bahir Gaura. Inside he is Krishna, but outside is Gaura. Fresh complexion. That means Krishna, he wants to listen sweet Harikatha, Bhagavad Katha from the lotus lips of Srimati Radhika. But when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to come this place, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu completely absorbed in the separation mood of Vrindavan. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is thinking this ocean is thinking is Jamuna, because the water of the ocean completely blue water, Nil Jal. And here also heap of sands. Now little bit going flat, but at that 500 years before, here there is a like big mountain. As like Giriraj, Govardhan. And here also one banyan tree. So Mahaprabhu was thinking, this is Bangsi what? Or Bangsi what? Giriraj Govardhan Desh. Where you are sitting, Mahaprabhu is thinking, this is Giriraj Govardhan. And downstairs, that maybe 50 meters down, there was also one banyan tree. Now I think dry. Last year didn't see also. A little bit there. And Mahaprabhu thinking Bangsi Bhat. So Bangsi Bhat, Jamuna, Giriraj, Govardhan. So Mahaprabhu completely absorbed in the same mood of Vrindavan. Mahaprabhu thinking, I am coming in Vrindavan. And because this is the symptom of Mahabhagavat. Mahabhagavat is thinking Sthavar Jangam Dekhe Radhikatar Murti Jahaja Netra Pade Ishta Deve Spurti Bon Dekhi Brahma E Vrindavan Jaha Nadi Dekhoe Manoe Kalindi Mahapremi Mahapreme Bhasi Jai Kandi. Chaitanya Chaitamritam Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained, who is very high class, exalted devotee of Lord, Uttam Mahabhagavat. If he looks anything, automatic stimulation manifested in his heart. He is thinking, this is Giriraj Govardhan. If he looks small mountain, he is thinking, this is Giriraj Govardhan. And if he looks the one small river, thinking what? Jamuna. And so in the same way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he used to come here, that Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu absorbed in the separation mood of Srimati Radhika and crying and recited all the slokas of Srimad Bhagavatam and Hantaya Udriyo Bala Haridasa Barjo Jad Rama Krishna Charana Sparsa Pramodam Manang Tanati Sagopaganui Paniya Sujavasa Kandara Kandamuloi. In this verse, Sukadeva Goswami Pad describing Venugit, the sound of the flute of Krishna, Venugit. Hantaya Udri Avala Haridaso Varju Jad Rama Krishna Charana Sparso Pramoda Manang Tanati Sahagopa Gani Paniya Sujavasa Kandara Kandamuloi. Srimati Radhika, she uttered these slokas. Srimati Radhika, she said, oh my friends, girlfriend, look how Giriraj Govardhan is served our beloved Krishna. For this regard, Sukadeva Goswami Pad described three Haridasa. Who is that? First Haridas, that is called Yudhishthira Maharaj, is called Haridasa. And Haridastara, that is called Uddhav. Or Haridaso Varja, Giriraj, Giriraj Govardhan, the Haridaso Varja, Rama Krishna Charana Sparsa Pramoda, Manang Tanati Sahagopa Gani. But Giriraj Govardhan, he serves with his body, mind and speech. Kai Manu Bhakta Kidya Giriraj Govardhan, Sabka Seva. Pandya says, because Giriraj Govardhan, he gives the sweet water, and especially in summer time, the cool water coming down from Giriraj Govardhan. And winter time, automatically what? Warm water coming from Giriraj Govardhan. Eh? And Giriraj Govardhan, he gives many kinds of fruits, flowers, and also one kinds of Aguru Chandan, and that sweet fragrance of sandalwood paste. And that is called just to rub your hand on that the sila. Then also as like Aguru and Chandan. Chandan means sandalwood paste. So Hyantai Udri Avala Haridaso Varja. Haridaso Varja is the topmost Haridas. All the living entity they are also called Haridas. Jiver Sarup hai Krishna Nityadas. Krishna Tasasakti Nityadas. So Giriraj Govardhan is the topmost Haridas. So for this God he is the Haridas of Varja. Because who is the devotee of Lord? There are many kinds of devotees of Lord, this is true. But topmost devotee who serves his Istadeva worshipful deities with his body, mind and speech. That is Kai Man Bhakta. He is called topmost devotee of Lord. Bhagavad Bhakta. So, Giriraj Govardhan, he gives flowers, fruits, water, and also giving the shade, especially when Krishna used to go herding the cows. Then Krishna and with his cowherd friends, Gopalak and calves and cows, they are taking rest on the lap of Giriraj Govardhan. And even sometimes Krishna, he also used to climb up on the top of Giriraj Govardhan, just touching the lotus feet of Krishna. Then Giriraj Govardhan's body start to trembling, shaking in this. Because this is the nature, touching the lotus feet of Krishna. Why? Because Krishna's lotus feet, very nice, beautiful kumkum color. Actually, this kumkum color is coming from the breast of Srimati Radhika. And this is very auspicious and super excellent. So when Giriraj Govardhan touched the lotus feet of Krishna, which color with the breast of Srimati Radhika, then Giriraj Govardhan is thinking my life will be successful. So Hantayo Udri Avala Haridaso Varjo Jad Rama Krishna Charna Sparsa Pramoda. Rama Krishna, then Balram and Krishna. But here Rama Krishna means Krishna's lotus feet always playing with the chest of Srimati Radhika. For this regard, Krishna's lotus feet is called Rama Krishna. Here Ram means not Balaram. Those who are Sakharas, Dasaras, Vatsalas, they are thinking Rama Krishna, Krishna and Balaram. But those who are devotees of conjugal mood, Madhur Jaras, especially the mood of Srimati Radhika, they are thinking of Krishna's feet is very special feet. Why? Because Krishna's feet colored with the kumkum of the breast of Srimati Radhika. So when Krishna climbed on the top of the Giriraj Govardhan, then Giriraj Govardhan is thinking my life is successful. And then Giriraj Govardhan also served to many ways to Krishna. And especially Giriraj Govardhan, he, what is it called? Taiyar karti hai. Prepared for Krishna, Radha Krishna, many sweet pastimes in the cave. And especially also Srimati Radhika and her Sakhis, they are playing many kinds of sweet amorous pastimes. Our Goswamis in their Ashtakam, Giriraj Govardhan Ashtakam, very like Pramoda Madana Lila Kandare Kandarete Smaton Idikil Kalanartha Lagna Katta Dayor Me Nija Nikata Nivasanam Dei Govardhanatam. Pramoda Madana Lila. Pramoda Madana Lila means transcendental in amorous pastimes. Where Radha and Krishna perform inside the cave of Giriraj Govardhan. So Pramoda Madan Lila Kandare Kandarate. Not only one Giriraj Govardhan, he makes many also are caves. So that time they also playing with their amorous pastimes with the different gopis and there. And not only this, sometimes Giriraj Govardhan, he also creates many kinds of flowers, fruits are coming. And gopis, they also making the garland for Krishna and from the top of the Giriraj Govardhan and offering to Radha and Krishna. And inside many kinds of Leela, Giriraj Govardhan, inside Gurudev told, inside of Giriraj Govardhan many kinds of jewels, what is called pearls inside. And in Giriraj Govardhan, in their cave, they completely what? AC and air conditioning. Air condition means is what? Something, air condition means people are thinking only cooling. Are it summer time cooling? Or winter time also? Heating. Generally people are thinking the
Automatic air conditioner.
AC.
Automatic air.
Automatic air conditioner. Need according temperature they also what? Adjust these. And these. And climate control area. And Giriraj Govardhan. And Krishna when lifted Giriraj Govardhan, and that time all the Sakhis of Srimati Radhika, they are very close to Krishna. Because Purvaragvati gopis, they are very eager to meet with Krishna. But they cannot meet with Krishna. So for this regard, when Krishna lifted Giriraj Govardhan, 7 days, 7 nights, and that gopis, especially Srimati Radhika and other gopis, they are very close to Krishna. This is their best opportunity. And 7 days, 7 nights in their life, they cannot very close to Krishna. For this regard, Krishna, externally Krishna become very angry with Indradev, but internally Krishna is very happy with Indradev because Indradev arranged these things. Emergency period. So gopis, they are very close to Krishna. And if you going to bus, if your bus is empty, then you can sit anywhere. No one can disturb you. But bus is completely packed. Understand? And so that your gents and ladies, they are also what? And together and as like cheap rice. Cheap rice, understand? Flat rice. Yeah? Very close. Face to face, body to body. No one can disturb. If one lady is sitting and if you very close to sit, then she will be very angry. Hey, why are you sitting here? You can there to go. But when the bus is completely what? Crowded and packed. And that time also young boy, young girl, they get this opportunity. How to cheap rice or flat rice to each other. Sometimes those young boy, young girls, they are looking this thing, which bus is crowded bus. So this way, Giriraj Govardhan, this arrange these things also. So Krishna is very happy and gopis are very happy. Externally thinking, oh Giriraj, Indra, he disturbed the Brijavasi because Indra tried to destroy the Braj. But Krishna lifted Giriraj Govardhan, then all gopis and gops, they are very close to Krishna, especially Srimati Radhika. She is very happy because 7 days, 7 nights in their life, not possible to stay with together Krishna. Maybe 1 minute, 2 minutes, and stay with Krishna. And mean where? In hidden place. But here now, no open place. Very nice.
In front of everyone.
So try to understand this. Why I am saying? Because Giriraj Govardhan in this way sought to Krishna, Brijavasi and gopis. So for the Pramada Madana Lila Kandare Kandari Tasmin. In this way Giriraj Govardhan, he performed sweet Lila, how Radha and Krishna they met together. So when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is to come this place, Chataparva, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu decided, Vardhantai Adri Abala Haridaso Varjo Jad Rama Krishna Charana Sparsa Pramodo Manang Tanati Sahagopa Ganai Paniyo Sujavasa Kandra Kandra Molai. Not only this, when Krishna lifted Giriraj Govardhan with his left hand and small finger, then Krishna is very happy. Krishna is thinking, I am lifting to whom? Govardhan. Huh? Huh. So Krishna is very happy. Because those who are Singharas devotees, their mind always absorbed this way. Because some also think Giriraj Govardhan is Sakharas. Those who are Sakharas, they can think it's Sakharas, no problem. But those who are the devotee of Madhurya Ras, they are saying Giriraj Govardhan, actually he serves to Krishna within conjugal mode. And Giriraj Govardhan is the witness of Radha Krishna's sweet amorous pastimes. And for the Vishwanath Chakravarti path, and Giriraj Govardhan Astakam, and also explained this way, and very nice, beautiful lila in there. And there is Giriraj Govardhan, and Giriraj Govardhan 2 eyes, that is called Radha Kunda and Shyama Kunda. And so in this way, so Chaitanya Mahaprabhu when you used to come here and remember these pastimes. And also Bangsi Bhat is here. When you will go Tota Gopinath, just right side, that time there was one banyan tree. I think nowadays that will be dry or disappear, maybe a little bit there. And then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is thinking this is called Rasasthali Bangsi Bhat, where Krishna played the flute and called all the gopis. Nisamgitam tadananga vardhanam brajastriyo. When Krishna played the flute, all the gopis, they gave up their household duties. And they ran towards Krishna. So Nisamma Gitam Tadananga Vardhanam Brajastriyo Ajogunam Uttama Alakshito. So Sukdev Goswami Pad told, when Krishna played the flute and all the gopis are thinking, Krishna only is calling my name. They claim. And the bija mantra of your, which mantra? Gayatri mantra. All mantra, Gopal mantra, and every mantra is what? Bija mantra, seed of mantra. That is called Klim. And Kalam Jago, Bama Disa Manohara. You remember all your mantras. What mantras? That mantra is a bija mantra. Bij means seed. That is your Klim. And Krishna mantra is Klim. Bija mantra is called Klim. Call law I ma. And also one is there. Chandrabindu. Understand this? So Klim. But all the gopis are thinking Krishna is calling only my name. So our Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained. Radhe Radhe Boli Murali Dakibe Modiya Isari Nama. Radhe Radhe Boli Murali Dakibe Modiya Isari Nama. Bhaktivinoda Thakur Kamal Manjari. For this regard, in this song, he also explained, Chintamani Mai Radha Kunda Tata Tahe Kunda Sata Sata Prabala Vidruma Mayatoru Lata Mukta Phale Abanata Mukta Phale Abanata Mukta Phale Abanata Tahe Kunja Sata Sata. Bhaktivinoda Thakur in this song, Radha Kunda Tata, in this song very nicely explained, when Krishna played the flute, then all the gopis, especially Srimati Radhika, she used to come and meet with Krishna. So saying, Radhe Radhe Boli, Murali Bajibe, Dakibi Madiya Issarinam. And the flute, just singing what name? Bolo Radhe Radhe Radhe. Everybody chant. Bolo Radhe Radhe Radhe. Jai 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 Shri Radhe. Radhe Radhe Radhe. Jai 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 Shri Radhe. Radhe Radhe Radhe. Jai 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 Shri Radhe. Radha Rani ki Jai. Maharani ki Jai. Radha Rani ki Jai. Maharani ki Jai. come in Bansivat, Chata Parvat, and all the Vrindavan pastimes. And Mahaprabhu is thinking, this is not the ocean, this is Jamuna. The water of the Jamuna, that's called blue water. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, remembering all the sweet pastimes, water sporting of Jamuna. Jamuna Jal Vihar Lila. Bhaduram takasya pattane avipatti harini prekshayati papina opi papa sindhu tarini neeram madhuri koti asura bandhini mankunatu sarvadara vindavano nandini mankunatu sarvadara vindavano nandini hari bari dare opi mandi charu dandava dandarika dandaloka dandajali dandava Karava, Mr. Bantu, Durga, Kaka, Mardini, Nanga, Ranga, Nanga, Nanga, Bhakti, Tura, Ravi, Mr. Durga, Kaka, Mardini, Tura, Purdini, Mankunatu Sarvadara, Vindavanu Nandini, Mankunatu Sarvadara, Vindavanu. That's when Mahaprabhu is thinking this is Jamuna. And all the sweet pastimes of Jamuna. That is called Nauka Vihar Lila. And water sporting, what is called boat sporting, pastime. Water sporting pastime, Jal Vihar, Nauka Vihar. Many kinds of Lila, Mahaprabhu. Then sometimes Mahaprabhu jump in the water of the ocean. And floating towards Konarak. Then one day Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came in the net of the fisher. There are many leelas, we will discuss this thing. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he used to come this place and also completely absorb this. And Rasasthali also. How gopis, they perform sweet ras dance and with Krishna and Gopi, these things also discussed. Sukdev Goswami and Srimad Bhagavatam. And Bhagavan Ubhitaratri Saradutpalla Mallika Rantu Manas Chakri Yoga Maya Mupasritam. And Krishna performed ras dance with his Yoga Maya. With the Yoga Maya Mupasritam. Bhagavan Ubhitaratri Saradutpalla Mallika Rantu Manas Chakri Yoga Maya Mupasritam. So when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to come here, Ras Lila, Nauka Vihar, Jal Vihar, and Bansivat, and also Giriraj Govardhan. So, why you have come here? Also remember these pastimes of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, he was staying here. Why? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and remembering all the mood of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And Bhakti Siddhanta Prabhupada, he also established a temple. We have seen very nice, beautiful temple. Now they also, what is it called? Renovated them last 2 years. They are also construction was going on. Now very nice, beautiful temple. So we also pay our obeisance to Bhakti Siddhanta Prabhupada. He is the founder and acharya all of our Gauriya Math. Jala Bhakti Siddhanta Prabhupada ki jai, jai, jai. Now we go Tota Gopinath. Bolo Gopi Jai Prabhupada, Jaya Prabhupada,
Jaya Prabhupada, Jaya Prabhupada,
Jai Prabhupada, Jaya Prabhupada.
Jai Prabhupada, Jai Prabhupada, Bhakti Siddhanta Jai Prabhupada.